What is the difference between the short run and the long run? Economists define the short run as a time frame too short for the firm to alter the quantities employed of all inputs. On the other hand, all inputs are variable in the long run. The time a firm needs to alter employment of an input varies from input to input. A firm can typically increase or decrease the amount of electricity it uses instantaneously, but may require several years before it can acquire or build a new production facility. This means that some inputs are fixed in the short run and others are variable. The firm does not have enough time to alter the quantity employed of its fixed inputs, but it does have enough time to alter the quantity employed of the variable inputs. Since the quantity of fixed inputs cannot change in the short run, the firm must pay for them even if it does not produce any output. The long run is enough time for the firm to alter the quantities employed of all inputs. The long run average cost curve shows the minimum average cost the firm can pay when all inputs are variable. It is usually a U-shaped curve with a wide bottom. This means that the curve has three regions. At first, the curve is a negative slope. Then it is flat. And finally, at high levels of output, it is a positive slope. The examples shown below. Let's talk about each region separately. The firm is experiencing economies of scale to the left of the red dashed line. In this region, as output increases, the long-run average total cost curve decreases, which means the long-run average total cost curve has a negative slope. Economies of scale occur when doubling output from 10 to 20 increases total cost from 200 to 300, only a 50% increase. In this case, the average total cost falls from $20, which was $20 divided by 10, or $200 divided by 10, to $15, which is $300 divided by 20. Economies of scale occur when the firm can use more specialization of labor and equipment as it grows, and when it can obtain lower prices from its suppliers when it buys more. The region between the red dotted line and the cayenne dotted line is an area where the firm is experiencing constant returns to scale. Constant returns to scale means that the long-run average total cost remains constant as output rises. It means that the long-run average total cost curve is flat. For example, constant returns to scale occur when doubling output from 10 to 20 doubles total cost from $200 to $400. In this case, the average total cost remains constant. $20 is 200 divided by 10. It's also equal to $400 divided by 20. Constant returns to scale occur after the firm exhausts its ability to use more specialization of labor and equipment as it grows and cannot obtain lower prices from its suppliers when it buys more. The third region is to the right of the cayenne dotted line. This region is where the firm is experiencing diseconomies of scale. Diseconomies of scale occur when long-run average total cost increases quantity increases. This means the long-run average total cost curve has a positive slope. For example, diseconomies of scale occur when doubling output from 10 to 20 increases total cost from $200 to $500, a 150% increase. In this case, the average total cost rises from $20 to $25. 20 is 200 divided by 10. 25 is 500 divided by 20. Diseconomies of scale occur when a firm grows so large that it encounters problems coordinating all the resources and activities needed to produce.